po,
Shower!
tumatayo na po ang ang baby.
Shower!
Tumatayo na po siya by himself.
Did he want to? Is he walking?
Isang kamay to. Ay! Oh, pipe it. Come on! The
Marlon.
shower! Wipe his mouth. Oh. Uy.
He's wiping his mouth only by himself.
Yeah. Tingnan mo yung kapit niya. Ah! Boing. Boing. Stand up. Stand up, boy. Hi, stand up.
Daddy, how did he stand up?
I don't know. You didn't see. I didn't see. I just saw him standing.
Daddy.
Maybe he will find a way. Just look up. Just observe him.
I think
Then
he will
he
go
crawls.
here
Yeah,
and
He crawls, and then he climbs. He's climbing up. He's
climbing up the pillow.
yun na.
Almost coming.
Yun na.
Stand up.
Stand up na. Ayun na. Stand
He's
up na.
almost standing up.
Oh, ayun na. Oh.
1, 2,
Wait
3.
for-
Faster. He's pulling.
Yeah. Don't help him, He can do it by himself. Yeah,
He will. The mouse will
Ayun na,
help
ayun na.
him then.
Nadudulas siya dun sa ano. Hindi siya
Nadudulas.
Yeah. Ayun na.
He's
Ay!
falling. Mama, I'm going to help.
Di na, kaya niya na yan.
Okay.
Iyan!
You're standing.
Congrats! Galing yan.
I'm going to hold him so he won't fall.
Ayan, patayo na siya.
Hey.
Ayan! Oh!
Jumping?
He's
jumping?
Ayan, umakyat siya. Umakyat po siya, mga kapatid ko.
You were shocked?
Hindi pa siya nakontento, umakyat pa siya.
Daddy, were you shocked?
Ayun na, umakyat siya.